Are you a single sneezer or are you a multiple sneezer? So like, if you're gonna sneeze, is it like a one and done, or are you gonna be sneezing like 2 or 3 times like me? Researchers don't really know why this happens, but we think it might be because people who sneeze multiple times, like me, their sneezes aren't as strong as people that only have to sneeze once. So it takes more sneezes to get whatever's bothering you out your system. It also could be down to ongoing nasal stimulation through something like allergies. So let me know, are you a weak sneezer like me who has to sneeze multiple times, or are your sneezes strong enough that you can just sneeze once and get on with it?